Hi, I'm Ross. I'm going to show you how to make your very own backyard cricket pitch and wheelie bin stumps. For this project you're going to need some sand, some turf making paint, some safety glasses and gloves because we always wear those, a hammer, some scissors, some timber framing and a dust mask, a ruler, some adhesive film, some garden stakes and a wheelie bin, a garden roller and of course you've got to have the mower. So you've got to consider your space, work out which way the pitch is going to face, where the batter's going to stand and which way it's all going to run. You certainly don't want to get broken windows. So the first thing you want to do is work out which way the pitch is going to be, where it's going to start, and then you mark it out with some garden stakes. So following your perimeter stakes, you're going to mow in that low setting. So just like a normal test match cricket pitch, you're going to start a little bit higher and then drop the mower down every couple of days and make sure over 4 or 5 days you've got it down really low, and then you're going to have a ripping cricket pitch. So once we've got the grass really short, we're going to really rip this cricket pitch to pieces. We're going to put the roller on it and it will be great. Once we've got the pitch cut, we've rolled it, there's going to be a few divots along the way. You just want to level those out with a bit of sand. Any backyard cricket veteran will tell you nothing will upset the game of cricket in the backyard more than being run out on 99 seeking the 100. To avoid that problem, we're going to use some spray paint and a special turf paint to make a crease. But first, safety equipment. This paint won't kill your grass. It will wash off though, so you probably have to replace it every 3 or 4 days, especially if there's rain. Time to make the stumps, and we're going to use this wheelie bin over here. So now we're going to measure our stumps, and for this we're going to use this ruler because this is about the right height and it's about 600 mil. So now that we've got the height of our stumps, we're going to take our ruler and our sticky paper and mark out the shape of the stump with a permanent marker. And don't forget to make your bales, and they need to be about 4 centimetres. So once you've marked your lines, you've got to pick up your scissors and cut out the stumps. Now that we've cut out the stumps, it's time to put them on the bin. I use the back of the bin because that way the fast bowlers aren't going to knock it over. So we make a middle point for our middle stumps, and now we're going to peel back the backing tape and put it on. So when we were kids, we used to use a ball to make sure the stumps weren't too wide, because the ball doesn't want to go through, does it? Now that our pitch and stumps are ready, it's time for the game. Let's bring it on.